Today I'm reviewing Sargent Art's oil pastels, and there will be swatches. Hi, I'm Syndia. If you like art, if you want to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell because there will be more. This is a 25-piece set. I paid $4 for it. They are a student grade quality. My very first impression of this set is that they really remind me of the Pentel Arts oil pastels. I made a full review of the Pentel Arts pastels and I will link it up here in a card if you're curious and you want to watch it. The stick itself is similar, the skinny, smaller stick, as well as the feel of it when you draw, but there are differences. This set is much less pigmented than the Pentel Arts. It's been my experience that within each set of oil pastels, some colors are a little less pigmented than others, but overall in this set, I found that most of the colors lacked pigment. It wasn't dramatic, but it could have been a little bit more pigmented. The binder must be very good because they feel pretty creamy. They're easy to work with when you layer them together. Not too patchy, not too gummy. I feel like that aspect of blendability is the best feature of these oil pastels. If they were more pigmented, I feel like they would perform a little bit better than the Pentel Arts because of the blendability, but because of the lack of pigment, it doesn't quite get there for me. Having said that, you can still make beautiful drawing and paintings with them. They're good enough. They're also certified non-toxic, so they would make a great gift for very young artists. If you want to know what my favorite oil pastel set is, watch this next.